Hello, hello. 2nd of March 2024. Job that I should have done a month ago, but didn't get round to it for various reasons, but there we go, that's life. I'm going to attempt to grow some proper long parsnips this year. I tried last year and it failed miserably, but I think I realised where I went wrong, so I'm going to have another go. So what we have is a 220 litre barrel, plastic barrel, top cut out, bottom cut out, onto the ground, filled up with sharp sand. And now what we'll do is we'll take out some cores and we'll fill up the space that we've taken out with fine compost, and then we'll let it warm up again, and then we'll plant some parsnips in there. And in theory they'll go straight down to the ground, so you'll end up with a parsnip at least 3 feet long. So let's just show you how to get the cores out, if it works. So basically what it is a piece of plastic downpipe from the guttering, and I've put a hole in the end and put a handle on there, and you'll see why in a minute. So let's see if we can get one out. And then when you lift it back out, he's full of sand. Chuck it in there, do the same again. And I think that's about the bottom. I think we've hit soil, so we just got to get this bit out. And it's always that last bit that don't want to come out. No, there's my handle just come off as well. No, you don't want to come out. What we'll do is we'll put another one fairly close to him and see if we can get this one out properly. I ain't very far away from the bottom now, so I'm going to be a bit careful. It'd be nice to get the sand out. No, once again, you don't want to come out. No. No, it's not happening today. Ain't working. Back to the drawing board. Put them back up. Compact them back down. Here we go, day 2. Wouldn't work yesterday, so I chucked a bucket of water on top yesterday, let that soak right down through, and now it's nice and wet right down through the barrel. I've managed to get the cores out, so now all I got to do is pop in some compost and then put on the top and leave them for a few days to warm up, and then I can sow some seeds. It's quite simple, it's just a homemade funnel. Pop it in the hole. I don't know if you can see this, but the compost is very finely sieved rubbishy stuff from one of the big supermarkets, and I've just added a little bit of nutrient to it, not very much because you don't want it to go mad, and the parsnips should go down through this lovely because it's nice and fine. And there you go. It's as simple as that. I've got to go and mix up some more compost in a minute, so when I've finished them I'll come back to you, show you how I cover them up. Right, so there we go, that's all of them filled up. Thought I'd better show you what I actually had. And no, I don't get paid for advertising this stuff. It's something called Charge, and boosts biology, promotes vitality, and basically what it is mealworm castings. Used it last year in fine compost for the carrots, worked really well. There's quite a lot in there. It'll last me for ages. I don't think it'll ever go off. Anyway, just got to put the top on now, keep it heating. And this bit you'll love. Here we go, piece of string across the top. Pull it tight. Around the top. Down there. And there you have it, little mini greenhouse. I can't remember how much your little umbrella costs, little kiddie's clear umbrella. That'll get the temperature up, keep the moisture in. So there we go, another one done. Keep on gardening.